Hi everyone. So let's start with the another question. So this is question from CSIR NET JRF December 2018, and question number is 93. Booklet code is A. So this is from ordinary differential equation and simple based on the eigenvalue problem. So this is question is, consider the eigenvalue problem which is y double dash plus lambda y equal to 0, which is defined on an interval minus 1 to 1, and with the boundary condition y at minus 1 equal to 1, y dash at minus 1 equal to y dash at 1. So these are the boundary condition. So we have to verify whether all eigenvalue are positive. Second option is all eigenvalue are non-negative. Third option is distinct eigenvector or eigenfunctions are orthogonal on minus 1 to 1. And fourth option is the sequence of eigenvalue is bounded above or not. So before going to this question, just go to my YouTube channel, and there are summary lecture on boundary value problem. Just go through that lecture and you will find easily answer of each of these type questions. So let me summarize this problem and then discuss the question. So there is a boundary value problem which is called self-adjoint boundary value problem, which is given by dy by dx of p time y dash plus q plus lambda of r into y is equal to 0. So this equation is called self-adjoint second order differential equation. Assuming that px is throughout positive, qx is also rx is also throughout positive for all x belongs to closed interval ab, and there are boundary condition y at a equal to y at b and y dash at a equal to y dash at b. With extra condition, this function p at a and p at b are same. For example, in this given equation, px is simply constant function which is 1. So p at minus 1 is 1, p at 1 is also 1. So this condition hold, px is throughout positive on this given interval, and rx is again 1, so which is also positive. In this given equation, qx is 0. And this type equation are called periodic boundary value problem. And some of the important properties for periodic boundary value problem is, first property is the set of eigenvalue can be arranged into strictly increasing order. So say lambda naught, lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda n, and so on. And this sequence lambda n is diverge to plus infinity. So this is first property, the set of eigenvalue can be arranged into strictly increasing order. And another property, since this set of eigenvalue can be arranged into strictly increasing order, so definitely this set is countably infinite, and the set of eigenvalue is never bounded above. So in this question, your fourth option definitely false, since given boundary value problem is periodic boundary value problem, then the set of eigenvalue always unbounded above. So your fourth option is incorrect. And another property is the dimension of eigenspace corresponding to least eigenvalue is one dimension, and dimension of eigenspace corresponding remaining all eigenvalue is 2, that is for all I greater than or equal to 1. So assuming that lambda naught is the least eigenvalue, then dimension of corresponding to least eigenvalue is 1 eigenspace dimension, and remaining for all eigenspaces corresponding to lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 and so all, this dimension is exactly 2 dimension, that is there are exactly 2 linearly independent eigenfunction. And also another property, the eigenfunction corresponding to distinct eigenvalue are orthogonal the eigenfunction corresponding to distinct eigenvalue are orthogonal. This property is based on the self-adjoint boundary value problem. Basically, this is similar to self-adjoint operator. So, by this last property, your third option definitely true. This is distinct eigenfunction are orthogonal. So, they are definitely orthogonal. So, your third option is correct option. Fourth option is incorrect by first property, since eigenvalue set of eigenvalue is never bounded above. Now, what about the first option or second option? Since we have this property, the dimension of eigenspace corresponding to least eigenvalue is one dimension. So, if there is a eigenvalue which is lambda equal to 0, so I am asking if there is an eigenvalue which is lambda equal to 0 and corresponding eigenspace is one dimension, then there definitely does not exist any negative eigenvalue. In this case, if we will choose y of x equal to any c which is non-zero and take lambda equal to 0, then this y is a solution of the given differential equation, which is a non-trivial solution. Hence, lambda equal to 0 is an eigenvalue and corresponding eigenfunctions are only constant function. So, the dimension of eigenspace corresponding to lambda equal to 0 is one dimension, implies all eigenvalue are non-negative. So, your second option is true, first option is false. Hence, your answer must be second and third, first and fourth are incorrect option. And for more details, just go to my YouTube channel. There is a lecture on boundary value problem. Based on this question, you can solve easily.